One more drink, one more Bacardi, one more dance at this after party. Ain't nobody kill my heart.
Oh, this song.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Tell them that it's over, AIRBNB.
Oh, you tired of
The same damn thing, but that's okay, cause baby, you play no games. Freaky. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie.
I feel like these bits have got a little bit too long for my face now, but it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well and having a lovely week. Today's video is actually a really exciting one. It's a little bit different to what I usually film in terms of clothing. I know you guys really enjoyed the celeb style video, so I thought I would do something kind of in a similar style, but obviously like different. So today's video is actually in collaboration with Motel Rocks, which I'm super excited about. You guys know I love Motel. They're one of my favorite clothing brands ever. I went to Miami with them earlier in the year, and I'm actually going to Bali with them next week now. It'll literally be in like 4 days when you're watching this, which is the craziest thing ever. Like, I cannot wait. So they very kindly partnered with me on this video because obviously I love the brand. So I'm basically going to be dressing in a different style every day for a week. I basically picked out different outfits from the website that I personally feel like are kind of different styles and different vibes. But yeah, I'm going to be talking you through each day. I kind of love the fact as well that obviously everything is an outfit and that you'll see how I personally style the things as well. I mean, hopefully gives you a little bit of inspiration fashion wise. Just gonna put the brightness up actually because it's gone a bit dark in here. Thank you. So starting off with Monday, I actually had a really chilled day on Monday. I did include like little bits of vlog content as well, so you will see how I styled everything and what it was like when I wore it and with the makeup and things like that. So Monday I had quite a chilled day, so I picked out this. This is basically a t-shirt dress from Motel Rocks, as you can see here. T-shirt dresses from Motel are one of my favorite things. They actually have a lot of different styles of this on the website with a lot of different patterns and prints and things like that. So I picked out this one because I kind of feel like it's a nice cross between something I would usually wear but also something that I could style in a way that was quite different for me. The fit of this I absolutely love. I wore these in Miami constantly because honestly they're so comfy and they're so perfect for summer, because honestly on days where it's just like red hot outside and you don't want to like wear anything really tight, these are like the perfect little outfit. So this for me is kind of like a little bit of me, but also I've tried to style it in a way that I wouldn't usually wear it. So we basically got on the Motel t-shirt dress, as you can see. I'm actually obsessed with the style of this. Like, I love the fact that it's like black and white but it's got print all over it. Obviously I've got on a dark brown lip, which I never wear. Like, you will never catch me in a lipstick like this. I don't know why, it's just really out of my comfort zone. And then in terms of the shoes, I've just paired it with Doc Martens because I feel like t-shirt dresses like this go really well with Doc Martens, and again it just makes it a little bit more edgy. This is pretty much the full look altogether. I just put my hair in a low bun, as you can see. So we've got the t-shirt dress. I have got cycling shorts on underneath as well, just because it is a little bit on the shorter side and it's actually raining in Manchester today, so great. But yeah, this is the first look, all fully done. I don't think I've ever seen the cat sat this close in my whole life. No one move. No one move. Has anyone ever seen them sat like that?
When they were babies.
When they were babies. What do you think of my outfit?
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
Do you know, one of the first things Mum came in and said when she got home was, I actually really like this look on you.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
Get off. Don't fuck around.
Don't
Don't mess around.
Now you see where I got my potty mouth from. What do we think?
I like the pattern.
Yeah, I like the pattern.
The pattern's got like stars
And moons. Yeah.
I think that's very appropriate with the Apollo, you know.
Anniversary.
Yeah, 50
50
years.
anniversary.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Hannah, how
Oh
did you
my
miss
God.
that?
Did you not know that?
Where have you been?
It is
It's
cute, isn't it?
beautiful.
You missed the boots.
So
Oh no, you did see the boots when I came in. What did you think of the boots?
Where are the boots now?
They're down here.
Let's
My little
have
Doc
a-
Martens.
Just because he thinks I was a hippie.
Very nice, Hannah.
Thank you.
Don't actually.
I don't want to cry this makeup off.
Okay.
Okay, great. On On to Tuesday's outfit. I didn't actually do anything until the evening on Tuesday, so I kind of wanted an outfit that was still quite like chilled and casual because I was just going out for like food and like drinks and stuff, but something that still felt like a little bit dressier compared to Monday's outfit. So I picked out a two-piece, which these are the pants for the two-piece here. Obviously, again, you'll see it better in like the vlog clips and things like that. I did take some pictures as well, so I'll insert those throughout the video so you can actually see like the full effect. If you can't already tell, these pants are reflective. Let me tell you, these are like the brightest things ever. Okay, when you take a picture with flash, like it's so insane. Like I was just obsessed. Like I couldn't stop taking flash photos because I just love how bright they are. And then they did actually come in a set. Like they do come with a bralette, and I really wanted to wear this yesterday, but when I say it poured down, like the weather in Manchester at the minute is diabolical. Like it is so bad. So I didn't actually end up wearing this because I mean my nipples probably would have dropped off, and I don't really feel like losing a nipple, to be honest. So but this again is in the same fabric. I love the fact that it's got the black detail with the straps, because obviously with it being like reflective, it's kind of this grey colour, but it's kind of hard to style in terms of like what to pair it with, if you know what I mean. Like it's kind of difficult to know what jacket to pair it with, for example, but the fact that it's got like the black straps, I feel like it makes it a lot easier. My room's such a mess, please excuse that because I've just been getting ready. The thing that I actually really like about these pants is the fact that you can really like tie them in with the little ties. So managed to pull them in a little bit on the waist, and then you can either have them wide leg at the bottom, or you can kind of like pull them in again like I've done there, which because they are a little bit like a tiny bit short for my legs, I decided to pull them in so they look a little bit more like joggers. My skin actually looks quite good today for once. Yeah, we've just been to Reflection Lounge at Salford, which you know what, I've never heard of, and it was a struggle to find, but I thought it was good. Okay, and then on to today's outfit, which obviously I've not yet worn, but I am going to be vlogging today because I think me and Charlie are going to go out and get some lunch. I picked out this from the website, and honestly, like the minute I saw this, I fell in love. I have seen so many people wearing this recently, and I just love the way it's styled. Like for example, my friend Millie wore this to Park Life and she looked absolutely unreal. Like she paired it with a pair of like wellies or Doc Martens or something, which I think is what I'm going to do today. The thing that I really love about these dresses, because again they have a lot of this style dress on the Motel website in like different prints and different animal prints and things like that. I just think they're really versatile dresses because again you could really dress this up. You could wear this on holiday, you could wear this to festivals. Like I said, my friend Millie wore this to Park Life, and you could wear it without anything underneath, or you could pair it with like a little t-shirt underneath, which I think I'm going to do today for breakfast. Yeah, it's a really cute dress. It's kind of like a maxi style, and then it does have slits up both sides as well, which I love. But again, even though it is a more like minimal summer piece, you could definitely like layer it in the winter time with a pair of tights, a pair of boots. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite pieces. Again, like I just really love the style of this. So yeah, this is pretty much the full look. Let me go like back further so you can actually see. Looks like I'm driving as usual.
Hey, I drive sometimes.
Yeah, I drive something. This dress is like so flowy. Food's just arrived, so this is my avocado and eggs, and then Charlie just got a traditional breakfast, so yeah. Okay, and then for Thursday's outfit, I am so excited to wear this and style this. This is actually a little two-piece again, and the minute I saw this, I just thought it'd be perfect for like an evening dinner. So this is what the skirt part looks like. It's just a really gorgeous little mini skirt, and I don't know if you can tell just by looking, but it does have little slits there, as you can see, on each side of the leg, which I just think is a really nice detail to what would otherwise be like a really kind of simple skirt. I love the print on this. Like I don't know what it is at the minute, but I've got a real soft spot support for like floral print. I just think it's so gorgeous for the summer. But I kind of like the fact that this is black and then it's got like the red pops of flowers, because in my head I just think this would look so gorgeous with like a really simple eye and a red lipstick. Like I just think that would be so gorgeous. And then the top is just a little crop top as well. So I actually got this in a small, like I got the whole thing in a small and a medium, because sometimes with like mini skirts I can be a medium in Motel, just like for reference I do sometimes size up. But this is what the top looks like. Again, I just love the shape of this. I love the fact that it's got like a little sweetheart neckline. It's actually got double padding on the like boobs as well, which we love. In my head I just think it would make a really cute dinner pic with like a red lipstick and either like straight hair or just like a low bun, like just really simple hair and stuff to just let the outfit speak for itself. So I'm actually really excited to do that tomorrow. I don't have any plans yet, but someone is coming for dinner with me, okay? I'm going on a date or something. I'm just putting it out there. Thank you, universe. Thank you. So I'm about to go out and meet Millie for a drink. We're going for some food at Piccolino in town and having some drinks and stuff as well. So it's currently the evening. I feel like it's about, I want to say it's about 8 o'clock, so we've got a table booked for 8:30. So I've just put on my outfit for the evening, which is this right here. I'm obsessed with this, like honestly. I just think it's such a cute little evening outfit. Like the top fits really nicely. I might put like a strapless bra on it just to give me a little bit of extra lift, but I love the fact that it's got like the cup shape here. But yeah, I've had it with a red lipstick because I thought that would look really cute to tie in with the flowers, and I decided to curl my hair. I was gonna do a low bun, but I kind of wanted something a little bit just like a little bit more glam, because this is probably the most glam outfit that I'm wearing all week. That is what the full outfit looks like. So the top is in a small and the skirt is in a medium, and I really love the fact that it's got these little slits. Obviously, like it is quite a short skirt, like it is a mini skirt, which is why I'm gonna save it for like a non-rainy day, because it is quite short for the weather today. But I really love the fit of this. I really love the fabric. It feels really comfortable on. That is what the back looks like, in case you're wondering. So yeah, I feel like you could pair this with like little trainers. You could pair it with black heels if you wanted to. Put a little gold necklace on as well, just as like a little accessory, because I kind of wanted all of the attention to be on the outfit. Okay, so food has just arrived. I'm out with Mil. So what have you got?
Spaghetti, seafood, essentially.
Delicious. And then I just got prawn linguine, so thank you so much. Right guys, our adventures continued. Currently on our way to Reflection Lounge, considering I was here like 2 nights ago and I've never been in my life. Like I'm not quite sure how that's happened. What do you think of this top, by the way?
Oh, I'm obsessed. I've
so
literally
cute.
just, and I was like, what the fuck is that top?
That's how baby.
I need that top.
Literally, like, it's so
I'm
comfy.
probably gonna borrow it from LA,
Yeah.
so you're gonna have to probably.
That's quite alright. You can have the skirt as well. At least you can wear the skirt in LA.
Oh
I was
my
thinking before it's too cold for that.
Yes.
Okay, and then last but not least, for Friday's outfit, this is probably like my favorite outfit of the whole week, and I'm so excited to wear this. It's a really simple piece, but oh, don't mind me. It's a really simple piece, but A, I just think that because it's so simple, it's absolutely stunning, and B, there's so many different ways that you could like style this to make it like more than what it is if you wanted to. So I actually saw this on Yasmin, she's called Yasmin Chanel, I believe, on Instagram. She's like one of the sweetest girls I've ever met, and she is so beautiful. The minute I saw her wearing this, I was like, say no more, like I just need it in my life. So it's just a really simple white kind of cowl-neck a white cowl-neck skater dress, which is kind of a really interesting concept because it's not very often that you see cowl necks with like a skater sort of A-line like bottom half. So it is a mini dress, which I really love, and it's got some ties to help kind of secure it and things. Again, it's got adjustable straps, which I absolutely love, and I know, I feel like I've said this for everything, but it's definitely the sort of piece that you could dress up or down, because in the summertime, I think this would just look so gorgeous with like really simple, like minimal makeup and a pair of white trainers. But you could also dress it up with a pair of like perspex heels or nude heels or whatever it's going to be. But yeah, that is going to be Friday's outfit as well, which I'm super excited about. So again, I feel like we've got a good like range of styles for this, because we've definitely got things that can be a little bit more like grungy and edgy, stuff that's a little bit more like retro, I feel like, with like the reflective pants and stuff and that 2-piece, and then kind of outfits that are a little bit more like feminine and things like that. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to wear everything for the rest of the week. As I said, I'm filming this on Wednesday, so I've not filmed like every single outfit for every day yet. Ooh, I might put this to the front because I feel like it looks like I'm bald. Great. So I'm on the last look of the week, and I have to say I'm so obsessed with how this has come out. I kind of wanted it to be very like girl next door, like very kind of chic and just girly and like, I don't know, you know, just like really flirty and summery and fun. So I've got on the white motel dress that I showed in the haul earlier this week. God, I really need to get this nail fixed. Like, I'm not gonna put it up because it's my middle finger, but it actually needs to go, like someone sent out. I've just put the motel dress on. The fit of this is so beautiful. Like, I'll show you in the mirror as well, but this is like the most flattering like cowl neck I've ever seen. Like, it's just gorgeous because it's got adjustable straps. So this is what it looks like with like the full length of the dress. So it's actually a really nice length. Like, it's not too short and it's not too long. As I said in the haul, you could probably dress this up if you wanted to really easily with a pair of like nude or perspex heels. And that is what the back looks like. It's just got the adjustable straps and then the little tie. Obviously you could tie it at the front as well if you wanted to do like a little bow there, but I kind of just wanted to keep it really simple. Yeah, I just went out and got a Starbucks, had some breakfast this morning, things like that. And me and Charlie are gonna go, kind of tempted to go junkyard golf because it looks like it's gonna rain, so I kind of want to do something like indoors today. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a jacket. I was gonna do just a denim jacket, but I feel like the hoodie kind of makes it really cozy as well and like makes it a little bit more casual because obviously it's like daytime at the minute. So still got the dress on obviously, and then I've just laid it with a grey hoodie and a denim jacket, and then I've just got my little Balenciagas on. Me and Charlie have booked a lane at All Star Lane, so we're gonna go now. Just got to All Stars, just me and Charlie bowling, and I have a very sad feeling that I'm gonna get beat, so great to see you there. Getting outplayed here. It's got some little nibbles, we got fries, got Louis fries, we got mac and cheese bites. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below which is your favourite outfit as you've watched them all, because I would love to know. A huge thank you to Motel for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I'm so excited to go to Bali with them next week. Like, it's actually going to be insane. So keep an eye out for lots of Instagram content and YouTube content around that as well. But yeah, I'm going to get going. Me and Charlie are going to go and get some lunch because, do you know what? It's actually kind of a nice day for once, and I feel like you have to make the most of the weather in Manchester when the sun comes out because it is a very rare occasion at the minute. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one.